Warning: always wear proper personal protective equipment when operating Appion products. Appion's recovery machines and vacuum pumps are fully field serviceable for quick and easy repairs on the job site. Replacing the Blue Fan Gearbox Assembly is a simple repair that can be completed in just a few minutes with the proper tools and knowledge. Here is a list of necessary and recommended tools for a successful repair. Begin the repair by removing the case from the machine. Reference machine-specific repair videos for step-by-step uncasing instructions. Using an 8mm wrench, remove the 4 gearbox assembly nuts and washers. Then remove the old fan. When attaching the replacement fan assembly, rotate the fan blades to align the flat spot on the gearbox with the motor D shaft. Next, replace the washers on the 4 motor studs. Then loosely screw on the 4 nuts. Now, begin to tighten the nuts in a crisscross pattern to roughly 80% tight. There still should be a fair bit of play in the gearbox. Rotate the fan while further tightening one nut. This will center the floating gear set. Further tighten the remaining nuts in a crisscross pattern until the fan assembly is securely fastened to the motor. Finally, place the machine back into its case. Again, reference machine-specific repair videos for step-by-step casing instructions. If your fan gearbox assembly is acting erratically, replace it with this simple repair. Purchase your Blue Fan Gearbox Assembly at the link in the description.